Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm an award-winning early childhood teacher, and here's 4 reasons to teach your toddler how to read. Number 4, it makes school easier and more enjoyable. Between reading, writing, math, social skills, following directions, there's a ton that your kid needs to know, and knowing how to read coming in eases the stress and helps them focus on the things that really matter. Number 3, it helps them learn about the world around them on their own. There's a transition that every child goes through in life, from learning to read to reading to learn. And the sooner we can get our kids in that reading to learn stage, the sooner their background knowledge and understanding of the world begins to explode. Number 2, your child wants to learn how to read. Kids love learning, kids love being read to, kids love letters, and when we do it the right way, not only is it a ton of fun, but they finally get to access that thing that they've seen us doing this whole time. Number 1, because you want to. Teaching your child how to read is an incredibly personal decision, and it's not the right choice for everybody. If the thought of teaching your toddler to read provides you more stress and worry than it does pride and connection, then it's not going to be the right choice for you. But if you think about teaching your child and get excited about the worlds that can open up for them, then I am here and happy to help you on that journey.